What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with a money making video on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me and for clicking on the video, for seeing the thumbnail and taking action. On this channel, we talk about making money online, whether it be trainings, programs, tips, tricks, hacks, sites, tools, whether physical or software. We talk about that. Anything to help you make money online. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like this video, comment on it, and share it with everyone you know. Now, this video is about a senior technical writer role at Github. We've featured Github quite a few times on this channel, and today is no different. They want you to come in and help them write technical content for their company. Now, if you pay attention to this upper left corner here, not that one, this one, you see that it is 5:54, and that's 5:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, that's the time of recording, and today's date is indeed the 23rd of February 2022. So that should give you some reference when you're watching this. Whenever you see this, that will be the time that it was recorded, posted, and gives you some idea how far out of that time you are. Okay? Now, this is a remote opportunity, which means you don't need to work in the office. You work remotely. Well, I can't use the same word to describe the thing, can I? Remotely means you work away from the office. It could be from home, it could be from the beach, from an internet cafe. There's a bunch of places that you wouldn't be able to do your typical 9 to 5. Okay? Basically, you don't need to work in the office. It is full-time and it is international, so they are welcoming applications from several countries. Now, if you want to learn more about GitHub, what you will do is press this chain link. Okay? When you press it, it takes you to the company's web page. I always encourage people to go to the web page. I always encourage them to read through, to see what's available, to learn more about the company, whether it be the structure, what they have to offer, key things that you might pick up on about the entity, and so forth. Doing so will give you a lot of arsenal to kill it in the interview, okay? Because we want to make money, right? We are going to find every way possible to arm ourselves with the best that we can find to get the work, to get the job, to get the money, to get the bag, to get the opportunity. All right. Now, the mission of GitHub Docs team is to empower developers to accomplish their goals. We're looking for a technical writer to join our well-established and expanding global documentation team. You'll report to a Docs content manager and work cooperatively with the Docs team to produce task-based, user-facing help content that's tailored to a range of audiences and published on GitHub Docs. The Docs content team is highly distributed and we embrace an environment of asynchronous communication. You'll need strong communication skills and the ability to build working relationships with co-workers in locations around the globe. All Docs content writers should be adept communicators, able to provide reviews on the content their team members create. They must be empathetic as a writer, able to put themselves in the user's position and help solve problems before they're asked. Now, in this role, you'll create a range of content from getting started guides to in-depth documentation on technical features. Now, if you're a patient, compassionate writer who loves crafting content that helps people use software, we'd like to hear from you. All right? Responsibilities. Now, these are your duties and responsibilities when you're hired at GitHub. Why wouldn't you be? You subscribed to this channel, right? Right? So I can tell you that you can find tools like links to Canva in the description below. Canva is free. The link is free. You just sign up and you have access to templates of resumes, cover letters, and so on that you can use to get the job. Now, your responsibilities will be as followed. Create helpful, scalable documentation for people learning to use GitHub's products and tools. Collaborate with product managers and other stakeholders to continuously improve existing documentation based on customer feedback and user research. Collaborate with the Docs content team to plan, create, and maintain user-facing documentation. Review and provide feedback for draft user-facing documentation from other writers on the team. Review and provide feedback on documentation updates from people outside of the documentation team, like support or open source contributors. Communicate with teams across GitHub about user feedback, product direction and vision, and technical product information to inform the documentation we create. Leverage reviews and team communications to improve the craft fluency of the Docs team and other contributors to GitHub Docs. Coach, mentor, and sponsor other writers on the team in your areas of expertise, which may include content design, crafting user stories, technical writing, interpreting user research into actionable documentation plans. You'll contribute to the iteration of Docs team processes and workflows. Now, minimum qualifications that you should possess. Ready? Ability to create high quality user facing content for software products. Experience creating highly technical content for a wide range of users, from early iterations of products or features to general availability. Strong user advocate, especially for new users. Ability to compassionately give and receive when editorial and technical feedback. My bad. Ability to compassionately give and receive written, editorial, and technical feedback. Strong ability to plan, prioritize, and execute complex writing projects with high attention to detail along the way. Excellent communication skills, especially when working with a distributed team. Familiarity with Git and GitHub. Now you'll stand out if you have experience working collaboratively with a team of writers or editors. You have experience contributing to or maintaining an open source project. You enjoy solving hard problems collaboratively. You are curious and comfortable working with ambiguity. You have experience testing alpha or beta features with the goal of documenting and providing product feedback from a user perspective. Now, here's an example of what we at GitHub would expect. Month 1, you're comfortable fixing bugs and navigating the Docs team's project. You've also met with the folks across GitHub's product organization and have built a foundational understanding of GitHub's users and products. Month 2, you've begun tackling more complex projects already, scoped by other members of the team. You're comfortable with the content design system for GitHub Docs, and you've completed your first or second content design plan with the support of other writers and the content designers on our team. Months 3 and 4, you're beginning to research and document new feature ships with the support of other writers on the team. You're regularly reviewing contributions to GitHub Docs from other writers, other hubbers, or open source contributors. Month 5, you're noticeably more comfortable discussing GitHub's products and advocating for its users. Month 6, you're regularly picking up new work from our team's project board and volunteering to review the work of other writers. Now, GitHub is the developer company. We make it easier for developers to be developers, to work together to solve challenging problems, and to create the world's most important technologies. We foster a collaborative community that can come together as individuals and in teams to create the future of software and make a difference in the world. Now, leadership principles: customer obsessed, trust by default, ship to learn, own the outcome, growth mindset, global product, global team, anything is possible, practice kindness. Now, a bit about why you should join. At GitHub, we constantly strive to create an environment that allows for employees, called hubbers, to do the best work of their lives. We've designed one of the coolest workspaces in San Francisco, which is the headquarters, where many hubbers work, snack, and create daily. The rest of our hubbers work remotely around the globe. We are also committed to keeping hubbers healthy, motivated, focused, and creative. We've designed our top-notch benefits program with these goals in mind. In a nutshell, we've built a place where we truly love working. We think you will too. GitHub is made up of people from a wide variety of backgrounds and lifestyles. We embrace diversity and invite applications from people of all walks of life. We don't discriminate against employees or applicants based on gender identity or expression, sexual orientation, race, religion, age, national origin, citizenship, disability, pregnancy status, veteran status, or any other differences. Also, if you have a disability, please let us know if there is any way we can make the interview process better for you. We're happy to accommodate. Now, please note that benefits vary by country. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your talent partner. And to apply for this role, press this button. Okay. It will look something like this. It will review what we just discussed. And then at the end, you will see where you apply. You enter your name, your last name, email address, phone number, location, resume, and so on and so forth. Okay? All right. So go ahead and do that. Also, check out all the links in the description below. These links can help you make money. I kid you not. Especially the first link in the description. It will teach you how to set up an online business where you can create passive income. Right? I said that very simply because it's simple. You just need to get the thing done. Now, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.